All right, so welcome back. This is video number 3, and we are going to talk about price points. Now, I want to keep it as simple as possible so that you have the right information. You can kind of create your blueprint, which we'll do in the next video. And I'm going to use all the things that I talked about in video number 2 and 3. We're going to map it out. You're going to see how you can kind of map it out and customize it to your own needs. And then we will begin to actually implement what we have discussed. Now, obviously, there are different price points, and depending on what you price and what you charge your customer, that can also show you what exactly you need to do. So there are obviously many different membership sites out there with different price points. Some have a one-time fee, and the goal of this is just to get people through the door and then sell them a bunch of back-end products. So that's one thing you could do. You could do upsells, you can do one-time offers, you could do downsells, and do all of that. Typically, these types of membership sites are a lot easier to create, but your lifetime customer value, or in other words, the amount of money you earn from the customer, is actually not as high unless you can really get them to buy all of your back-end offers. So essentially what this goal is to build a massive list. Now, with this said, these types of membership sites are actually a lot easier to create because it's just a one-time fee with the potential of maybe other back-end products. And then you have kind of the monthly or bi-monthly, quarterly, basically a recurring site. Now, another thing you have to think about is, do you want to offer a trial offer? Do you want to offer maybe a setup fee? Or how do you want to go about this? If you do a trial offer, you typically have to do maybe $1 for 7 days, or how many days you want. Typically, I wouldn't do more than 7 days as for recommended advice. But if you do, let's say $1 for 7 days, and then after that, you charge them $27 per month. Now, if you do that, obviously, you're going to have a different blueprint than the person that is just setting up a one-time fee. So just some things to think about. Jot down what kind of price point you want to do. If you want to do a setup fee, maybe you charge a large fee, like $100 fee up front, and then every month after that, it's $27 a month. So just jot down what your price point is. Don't think about anything else. Just keep it simple. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to kind of really map everything out.